New at 6, several Indiana couples are suing the state of Indiana, demanding the same rights to marry as straight couples.
They announced the new lawsuit today, filed by the ACLU on the couple's behalf. RTV6 reporter Tanya Spencer is live downtown with their pleas and the governor's reaction. Tanya?
Well, they say that they want their marriages recognized by their home state. The lawsuit claims that Indiana law is both unfair and unconstitutional.
Stephen and I were married in California in 2008, and we want the state of Indiana to recognize our marriage. We have a 15-year-old daughter, and we want our family to be recognized as any other family would be.
Rob McPherson and Stephen Stolen are two of a handful of plaintiffs suing the state of Indiana. These Hoosiers are taxpayers who say they want the same legal rights as all married couples, not just for themselves, but for their children. Everything from inheritance rights to medical rights and tax rights. Some had to file 3 federal tax returns this year because their marriages from other states aren't recognized in Indiana.
I've lived here my entire life. I love Indiana. I'm proud when people say, "Where are you from?" I say Indianapolis with a smile, happy. And our friends often ask, well, can't you go to Illinois? Why don't you go to New York? How about you fly out to California? And for us, it just never made sense. We live here.
I just think it's time, and enough is enough. Whether you've been together for 7 years, 8 years, 2 years, or in our case, 25 years, all of them in Indiana, it is time for Indiana to say this isn't fair.
While many Hoosiers maintain marriage should remain defined as between a man and a woman, these couples hope sharing their personal stories will help change Indiana law.
We have a 5-year-old daughter, and we want our marriage recognized, and we want her to know that her family structure is as valid as any other family structure.
And I feel like there's this tidal wave that's making its way across the country, you know, there are a dozen such states where our marriage from New York is legal, and it's about time that it is recognized here.
Now, I asked for a comment from Governor Pence. His press secretary released this statement to us saying, quote, Governor Pence supports Indiana's marriage law and he will fully cooperate with the Attorney General as he defends Indiana's law in court. No word on how long this litigation might take. Reporting live downtown, Tanya Spencer, RTV6.
We're getting more details now on other lawsuits filed in Indiana against the state's same-sex marriage ban. There are a total of 5. The first out of New Albany, the second filed yesterday by Lambda Legal, then 2 others filed today on behalf of couples who were married in the states that allow same-sex marriages. All the suits contend the state's ban is unconstitutional.